How to make a community website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website on Wix.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. So firstly you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. So as you can see I already did it, I'm in my account. So guys, it's completely free to create an account on Wix.com. All you just need to use your email address and create a suitable password, so feel free to create an account on Wix.com. Next, you just need to click this blue button, create new site. You will be redirected to another page, Wix site creation. Here you can start chat with AI to bring your ideas to life with AI technology, but in this video we don't really need it, so just click to set up without chat. Next step, you need to choose what type of website do you want to create. So we need the community website, so just type community. And you can choose community movement, community charge, community service program, community center, event, garden, college, art community. Basically you have plenty of choices here. Just for an example, just for this video, I'm gonna choose a community hub. You can choose whatever you want. Just I don't know the purposes of why you create this website. What do you want actually? So the next step is that we need to create a name for website. I'm gonna name it an example just to show you and move on. Don't really need this website. And here you need to answer what are your goals for this site. This will help Wix.com match you with tools and features to fit your needs. Just choose whatever you need, sell products, collect leads, share knowledge. I'm gonna skip this step. You should complete this by yourself. Also you can choose the apps you would like to add to give your site more functionality. For example, recommended for you is bookings, pricing plans, groups. Also you can discover more apps here, such as online store, events, blog, portfolio, forums, Instagram feed, chat. And now we are back to our dashboard. You can see you need to fill in all of those all of the steps to create your website. First one is done. Next you need to connect the custom domain and create your first fundraising campaign. I don't know why actually, maybe I chose something wrong. Set up your payment methods. To be honest, I'm sure every user will be able to fill in all of those. It's pretty simple. Meanwhile, we will move straight to this point, design your website. The most important one maybe. Now you need to choose how you want to design your website exactly. Pick a template or generate a design with the help of AI. I'm gonna choose this one because I really like to browse thousands of designs and pick one to customize. Pick a template, that's my choice. Here you can see most popular website templates. You can also choose blank templates if you wanna make site from scratch. We need the community website. Here is the results found for community. Basically, you need to choose the template that you think is the best for you. Just for an example, I'm going to choose this one, community center. Click edit, and now we are going to Wix website editor. Wix website editor, in my opinion, is the best option to create a website because you don't need to know any of programming languages. You just need to use a website to create another website, create your own website. It's very easy to do, and that's why I highly recommend you to try this website. Now we need to wait until everything loads, a few seconds. Now everything is ready. We can move on to the most interesting part. You can edit almost everything here. Here you can select which page we are on our website. You can manage pages. You can change the order of them. You can delete some of them. For example, this one, easily delete this page. You can add new page here. Also on the left you have such functions as add elements, add section, pages and menus, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS. Also you can see every page is divided into several parts from header to footer here. The main tool how to edit almost everything on this website. You need to double click on element you want to edit. For example, you want to edit this specific section, welcome section, just double click on this section. Now you can edit this section, you can move everything, you can delete everything, you can delete this donation form if you don't need this. You can change the text, you can delete this text. Just to edit this text, click this button, or you can also double click on this text and delete this. You can write whatever you want here. You can change the style, fonts, font size. You can change this image. Basically this is not image, this is slides. You can manage them, you can delete them. If you want to add your own image, just click on the add elements, choose image, upload images from your computer. Also you can add text, button, and so on. Also you can add section, for example gallery section. Just choose a section and drop it anywhere on the page. On this page we have such sections, for example welcome section, about, featured video, instruction, our approach, subscribe. In general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend trying to explore it yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, is very clear to any user. And when you're done editing your website, you can click on this button, publish, to go live with your site so anyone can see it. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.